Hey guys, Dave. Today I'm just going to do a quick lay down of a pathway. We need to make a pathway through here. As you can see, we got lots of grasses and stuff volunteering. I have this material for part of our nursery stuff, and I figured we just go ahead and use it. So let's get going. It'll only be about 10-15 minutes. The idea is I just want to cover this path with this, and then I want to start putting pea gravel in it and creating a more, get it from the recovery garden stage to actual nice garden stage. Let's just put it that way. As we all know, you can only recover gardens so much, then they kind of take care of themselves. All right, it's a heavy roll. As you can see, we've got lots of grasses. So, we also got a distinct change. So I think I'm either going to cut it, or we're going to start moving that stuff off and then back onto it. But for me to do that, I'm going to need my assistant. Alright guys, I have my assistant here today, so actually she's the driver of the whole thing, and we have the buff. So we're going to go ahead and move the pots as we go. We're going to have to cut things, etc., because the path is not obviously as wide as it says it is. This is just say it again, the camera can't hear you.
I was asking you if you shouldn't be talking and telling people what we're doing, because I don't think it'll be that interesting with them just watching us.
Okay, now that she's asked me to do it, I guess I'm gonna have to do it. All right, yeah, I basically rolled it out. It's 6 foot wide or 5 foot wide, something like that. And so we're trying to make it fit in our path. Now, in our path, this is the recovery garden, so in our path we have lots and lots of plants and pots and stuff like that. And so I'm trying to use whatever natural materials to help it along. That guy falls over every time it rains, so I'm going to put some rocks underneath it. The end result is I'm going to get a load of pea gravel and pea gravel it. We do have 4 or 5 bags just to get it started. See, I learn something every day. All right, knew it.
So the path really needs to kind of bend this way a little bit, I think. Either that or we cut 2 more slots.
For that guy?
The only thing about cutting around this thing...
You're going to have 5 more.
No, you're not going to have 5 more. It will eventually die off. I don't know that I want to... I don't know what to do with that.
Well, we just pull it. We got so many of them. We got one right there.
Let's see if there are any eggs or anything on it.
Inspecting for his monarch.
Oh, it's about to bloom. Darn it.
Butterfly eggs and stuff.
Let me do
Monarchs
this. I'm going to move it. I'm
okay.
going to go get a shovel.
All right.
But it's about to bloom.
Yeah, I got it. I got you.
Okay.
If you're focusing, if you don't know all the plants, and you get kind of, because I haven't known the plants for years. I only knew what a split leaf philodendron was because I really liked them. And now that I got them everywhere.
Thank goodness for PlantNet.
And PlantNet, yeah.
Yeah.
Once we got to that, that was where our...
Neither of us knows what most of the stuff is.
That's not as true as it sounds. In the heat of the moment, she comes up with these strange names, and I said, what the hell? And I will look at PlantNet after I have the plant set up, and after I take a picture of it.
So I'm just, oh dear, well.
Yeah, it just came out root ball.
Yeah, not much of that, but that's okay. I will go plant him.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go put it.
Okay. All right, so. Some of these I'm just hiding right underneath. They'll die off. Morning. Well, this is what I got for rock. Pea gravel, I guess it's called. Pea pebble, pea gravel. That's what I got to backfill. This will not fill that. Went to a rockery around here to go ahead and get get it in mass because of the price, and realized I'm halfway through it that not only is the price more or akin to that, very close, but I'm not going to be able to afford to pea gravel it all in mass. So what I'm going to do is, I think it's going to take about 2 cubic yards, maybe 2.5 to get 2 inches on, but I could be wrong, and we'll find out. This is 1 cubic yard. It cost me $240 delivered. For those of you in sticker shock, or those of you who don't know what it used to be, 5 years ago, this would have cost me $80 delivered. And that's a $40 delivery fee. So let's get about getting rid of this stuff, getting it on the path. So I have a driveway again. This is probably the easiest way initially. I mean, I can. So what do you think? First off, I thought 1 cubic yard wouldn't go too far, and I still have plenty left over. So, and I still got to spread out some up here. I'm starting to get a mild heat stroke right now. I can tell something that's, so while this looks like, wow, he didn't do anything over here, take a look. I've got enough for it. What I am going to do is too hot now for me. Actually, for most people. Put away what I need to put away, and then walk inside and has a nice tall glass of water, like 50 glasses of water, and then get them colder and have breakfast. I haven't had breakfast yet, which is probably the other half. But yeah, it's looking good. So what do you think?
I love it. You talking about the rock?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yes.
Hey
I
guys.
thought it would look nice, but it came together really even better than I had expected.
Buff, you think this is good? Buff? Yeah, she's there.
She's like it too, because she comes straight out to it now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually been about a week since we put it together. Because I have other things going on, I didn't get a chance to finish this off. But when you look at it, it's not bad. I got a little underage. I can always buy 1 cubic foot bags. And the whole point in this thing is I paid $200 for a cubic foot of this gravel, this pea gravel, and a cubic yard, and the cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. And I was buying cubic feet for about $6 at one of the local box stores. And it used to be that was very expensive. Now it isn't. If you take 27 times $6, you're talking about $162, which is less than what they were doing at the Rockery. So, this is Dave. And I'm not sure where V went.
Over here.
Yeah, Dave and Verna. He's over here. And we are out.
Put our, whatever this is.
A Regal shield.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, what are you doing running away from us?
This thing's looking better.
Oh yeah, that
Awesome.
work is good.
Oh, good.
Regal shield's up.
Yeah, I know.
We need to dig that one out, break it up. Maybe tomorrow.
Buffy, you're crowded.
All right, guys, have a great weekend.